Hey guys, I wanted to make a review video on this Trucozie cordless vacuum cleaner. This is the T550, so thanks a lot to Trucozie for sending this out. All the parts are right here, and this thing is awesome. I've already charged it up and ready to go. Here's the battery. We're gonna plug that right in the back of this, just like that. Super easy to do. You've got your canister here. I'll show you how to take that out and clean it. You've got an LED screen here that will show everything you need to know. Power button, and then vacuum speed or power going up. You've got a charger, you've got an extra filter, got this type of filter as well as this filter, instruction booklet, and then you've got your bristle, the roller right here has an LED. I'll show that in the front as well. You've got a place to mount it on the wall, and then you get extra attachments as well, and even a tool to clean it out. Here's the extension as well, and I'll show you how that works. Okay, so you've got your main part of the vacuum here. We've got our extension. We're going to attach that right there, and then you can actually adjust that. Right off of this extension, you can attach this if you wanted. You can attach this if you wanted, and you can even attach those to right here as well. Okay, so if you want a really short one, you could even do a super short vacuum like that as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this whole thing together into a full-on vacuum. There we go, and we want to make it a little bit longer. So I really like the adjustability here. Just like that. And then you can do the power button. If you look right here close, here's the power button. We'll turn it on. You can see it has a green light on. Okay, and then we can turn up the power as well. And then back to low power. So it's super easy to move, and if you want to adjust it, you can adjust it just like that and go on the stairs if you wanted to. But let's extend it, and then let's pour down some rice. Okay, we'll turn the power on. That's on low, and definitely even on low, you can see it's working, and you can see it right here in the tank. You can come a little bit closer if you want. You can see it's working in the tank. Okay, let's turn it up. Full speed. If I lift this up, you can see that this is even spinning. Turn it down. Okay, that's the roller wheel. Okay, now that we're done cleaning, we can take this off by pressing this button, just like that. You can take the filter out, take the whole thing out, and dump it that way. Or you can press this easy button right here. That opens up the lid. There is all your junk from the floor. Click it in just like that. And like I said, this holds tools. Click that there. You click that there, and you can take this fixed tool right here, put it in there. And if you wanted to mount it right here on the wall, the back of this has a little clip. And hook it in there, and the whole thing would mount on the wall. So you can back up, you can see the whole thing would just sit there. So I've got to figure out where to put this, but it's awesome that this has a hook for it as well. Okay, so there you go. Really high-powered vacuum, super light and durable. I like the adjustability as well as all the features and extra functions. You get an extra filter, that's awesome. Here's the charger for the battery. You can either plug into the battery right here to charge it, or you can remove it, which is pretty easy to remove. You just slide it out like that. The lights will blink when you're charging it, and when you're ready, you can put it right back in. So great product from Trucozie. Thanks a lot for sending it out to review. You can see what kind of junk we're gonna pick up on the floor, but super easy to clean the filter for the next time of vacuuming. Can definitely recommend, highly recommend, definitely pick up one of these.